What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host Terry and welcome to the channel. Buy the dip, that's right guys, and hopefully I want you guys to comment down below how is the volume sounding today. As you can see, we got a new toy, that's right. I want to thank all of you. We got the new Yeti right here guys, the Yeti Blue, and I want to say thank you to everyone that supported the channel. Had a lot of people sending donations through the super chat. Even had a few people send some PayPal money, and we got an upgrade today, man. We got a nice new microphone, so hopefully the volume is gonna be okay. I got a fancy light back here too, which is making it really bright. So we took that money, as I told you, and invested it back into the channel. So that's what we did, guys. And as we keep building up money, looking to get better equipment as we keep going. So today's video, we gotta take it a little serious. Not gonna play around in this one. We gotta get people to vote for Gold Nugget. That's right, we need people to vote for GNOG. So tonight's video is going to be hopefully helping my Robinhood users on how to vote. So I found this great article on the Robinhood app, guys, and I think it's going to help people to get in there and vote. So all right guys, hope you all are ready for today's video. If you are, hit the thumbs up and join the thumbs up nation. So all right guys, let's get to it. Let's go! And all right guys, real quick, here is a couple key things before we get into the Robinhood part of it. So it says here, what is next for Lancadia? So by rule, an investor meeting was held. It must be held within 60 days of the declared record date. This is a requirement by Lancadia fulfilled because the record date was October 29th. The data references the time in which shareholders as of that day are eligible to participate in corporate votes. So guys, that basically means that you've had to hold your shares before October the 29th in order for you to be eligible to place a vote. So whatever brokerage you're using, if you bought shares before October 29th, you can go in and place your vote. So as you know, the new meeting now, guys, is coming up on December 29th. So we're gonna go into Robinhood. I'm gonna show you how to go in and do that vote. Now, if you're using other platforms, you can call them, you can email them. Like I did my Fidelity, no problem. Robinhood was no problem, but I just wanna help people get on there to vote so we can get this passed. That way we can move forward and get the gains. We'll come back and circle on other platforms at the end of the video, but I'm gonna start with Robinhood first. All right guys, so here we are on Robinhood. If you get on your Robinhood, you go to the help center, you go to investing, you go to your investments, and it should be here under shareholder meetings and elections. Up here is the link up top that will get you right to how you do it. Robinhood, and I'm gonna put this link that I have right here, guys. I'm gonna put that down in the description. It'll take you to this page, and then that way you guys can get on here and read this. So it says, as a shareholder, you have the right to attend and vote in shareholder meetings for companies that you own. We use Mediant to allow you to vote remotely before each shareholder meeting you're eligible to attend. Mediant will send you an email via Robinhood at proxydocs.com with instructions on how to proxy vote. So this is really key right here as well. You may want to check your spam folder, guys. This is where you're going to get emails from. Robinhood at proxydocs.com. So very, very key. Down here then, Robinhood and Mediant. Mediant is a third-party shareholder communications firm that allows you to participate in shareholder meetings. You'll receive emails from Robinhood at proxydocs.com, which is right here, guys. Again, so I think it's really key that you go through your spam folder and check it. So using Mediant, when you receive the proxy email from Robinhood at proxydocs.com, you have the option to vote prior to the shareholder meeting. Your email will include a link to Mediant's online portal, which is right here, www.proxypush.com, with materials and information to cast your vote. So logging into Mediant, open your Mediant email, click the Vote Now button on the link to enter the online portal. Follow the directions in your email from Mediant. It says here, attending a shareholder meeting. If you would like to attend a meeting physically or virtually for a security of your own, you can do so by reaching out to support@robinhood.com. After you receive the proxy notification, we will provide you instructions on how you can attend the shareholder meeting. For certain securities, we provide additional control numbers so that you are able to access the shareholder meetings. Shares on loan reduces voting rights. So as it says down here, guys, when you utilize a margin to purchase securities, Robinhood is lending you the money as a part of margin agreements. So we don't need to really go over that. But as we get down here, it has here that if you may not also receive proxy materials for a shareholder meeting such as shares. And if you still have questions on voting, guys, you can contact Robinhood support. So there is a link right here that you can contact. If for some reason you can't find where to go vote, and if it ain't working for you and just having bad luck, there's a lot of new investors out there, which is okay. We're just here trying to help people to get them to vote so we can get this through. Contact Robinhood support and they will help you get through, guys. They will send you what you need in order to get your votes. Now, like I said, you had to purchase your shares before October 29th. So if you're holding shares, go back into your history and see how long you've been holding these shares. So that is really key. And I hope this here part of the video will really help out my Robinhood users on how to put in a vote. So let's talk about real quick some other platforms and how you can do those and do your votes on them. All right, guys, I thought it'd be best actually before we get into the next part to show you actually step by step how to get to that. So we're gonna do that right here. If you click on account, we're gonna click that. We're gonna scroll down here to the Help Center and we're gonna click on Help Center. That'll load up. This page will look like this. You're gonna scroll down till you see investing. You're gonna click View All on investing. This will pop up here under investing. You're gonna scroll down here to where it says your investments. Then it's gonna come up here. And you're gonna go down here to shareholder meetings and elections. And then there you go, guys. That will take you to what I just showed you right there. So nice step-by-step instructions on how you get to it to get these emails in order to get to that in your Robinhood account. So I don't really think I need to put that link out there because it's literally right here in this video on how to get to it. So hope that really helped out, guys, on how to get to this on Robinhood, and hope this will help you guys be able to get some emails out if you need assistance on where to go find out where to vote. All right, guys, and wanted to cover this article here on the casino.org, just published out on the 18th. So literally yesterday, this was published out about how we need the votes for Golden Nugget online merger. This here is basically showing a picture of my brother Tillman. That's right, guys. And down here, I thought was the part was really good when I read to you guys about people was asking here. So Lancadia told casino.org the meeting was conducted, then adjourned because just 40% of the investors voted, short of the 50% required to move the transaction forward. So we were like 10% short of the shareholder votes in order to get that. And I think that it's just, there's a lot of us new investors out there. And I do think, like, you know, you wouldn't think that you would need to vote. I mean, a lot of investors are probably starting out in March like myself. Now, I've been trying to do myself best and educating myself on learning this stuff, the ins and the outs. And not everyone has all that extra time to do that. But I think this is really key, guys. If you use Fidelity, I can guarantee you Fidelity send out emails. I put in my other videos how I voted. I just put the screenshots of my vote. Fidelity emailed me. I clicked on it, went right to it. If you have Fidelity and you haven't voted, call it Fidelity, man. They have an amazing customer service line. You can call it Fidelity. They will take care of you. A lot of people talk highly of TD Ameritrade as well. You can call them up. I know Webull, if you have them on Webull, you can email them. They're really good about getting back at you. So depending on your brokerage, shoot them an email. If you can call them, call them. Do what you got to do. I don't know if AM has live chats, but chat with them if you need to. You have plenty of time. We have to the 29th here. So we have 10 days to get a response and help you get voted. So every vote counts on this, guys. We need this to happen. All right, guys, wanted to cover this last part. So it says here, what is next for Lancadia? By rule, an investor meeting must be held within 60 days of the declared record date. This is a requirement by Lancadia fulfilled because the record date was October 29th. That date references at that time which shareholders as of that day are eligible to participate in corporate votes. Today's meeting adjourned does not qualify as a cancellation, nor does it count against the meeting time. Rather, it buys Lancadia more time to get the word out and tell investors how crucial it is that their vote for their shares to bring GNOG to market. Fertitta's Blank Check Company is holding another investor conference December 29th, according to Lancadia. So guys, this here is basically saying you need to get a hold of your brokerage and get a vote in, man. Email them, call them, whatever it is. Down here is a nice little piece that I wanted to get to you guys well. With online casinos and sports betting poised to take off in 2021, a case can be made that it's interest of Lancadia investors to approve Golden Nugget online transactions so the target becomes a publicly traded entity. Various points of data confirms the New Jersey GNOG's marquee market just reported the best month ever for any states in the terms of sports betting handle, while the operators of the iGaming revenue surged despite of increasing competition. The company is also entering into Michigan, another lucrative market, as data from that state trickles in. It could be to investors' advantage to take care of the Lancadia GNOG marriage consummated. So guys, I hope this video was really helpful for everyone. Wanted to get on here and be a little serious tonight because this is something we need to get done. I really do think that 2021 for GNOG is gonna be amazing, man, and you're gonna see this road's been rocky since July, but I think the iGaming market, it's in its baby stages, man. Just like kind of the electric car EV vehicles, those are all in their baby stages right now. EV's got a lot more hype than the online gaming, but the iGaming market to me is the sleeper, and people is missing out on it because, as you know, as an LCA GNOG shareholder, Golden Nugget is putting money in the bank. We are already in the green. We're already profitable. We got people who love to gamble. We got people putting money in the bank. So this is a win-win for all of us, guys. We get this merger done, and we just sit back and wait. We hold on to our shares. We sit back and wait and take in the profits that is right. And hopefully I don't have to call up Tillman anymore and rough him up, if you know what I'm saying. So, all right, guys. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. And real quick, first link in the description is Webull. Download that link, deposit $100, get up to 4 free stocks. Helps you out, helps the channel out. And guys, I will catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip. And until then, baby, 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 let's go.